Ruslan Desyatnikov began his career in software testing back in 1998, gaining decades of hands-on and leadership experience. In 2010, he founded QA Mentor, which grew into a global QA powerhouse.
The company gained recognition quickly. In 2017, QA Mentor received a prestigious award in London, leading vendor for quality assurance and testing services. QA Mentor was appraised by CMMI Institute at Level 3 in 2018. In 2024, the company won two major honors from the North American Software Testing Awards: Best Advancing Software Testing Practice and Testing Leader of the Year. Altogether, QA Mentor has earned 123 awards and recognitions worldwide.
In 2024, Ruslan began systematizing his experience and philosophy into a unified framework. By April 2025, this work crystallized into HIST, Human Intelligence Software Testing, which quickly grew beyond a methodology into a movement to restore human thinking at the heart of software quality.